we watched Gogglebox and we saw Ryland's kitchen.
Yes,
I was
we did.
like, oh, that's really fancy. That's really nice. And from doing some digging, we found out that it was actually a Wren Kitchen. Hello, I'm Kieron Richardson, and this is my lovely husband, Carl.
Hello.
And we're here today with my 2 children, Phoebe and Chase, showing you around our brand new kitchen. So we wanted to get a new kitchen because when we bought the house, the previous owners had built this lovely extension but hadn't utilised it properly. So the old kitchen stopped well behind us there. There was all this dead space that wasn't being used. We wanted to make a really big, entertaining kitchen, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yes.
So when shopping around for our kitchen, we did go to look at various different competitors. We just found that the quality
just wasn't as good, was it?
No, the quality, the look, just everything that Wren offers is just a complete cut above. And I think when you walk into that showroom, you just get it straight away.
We went for seafoam for the cupboards and the drawers. We could have gone for high gloss white, but I thought that was just too clean, too white. Chloe from the Manchester store, she suggested the seafoam colour, didn't she?
Yeah.
And in the thing I was like, oh, it looks a little bit greeny. She was like, trust me. And then in the light of day, it looks incredible. Why did we go for the island?
I think
Because I always wanted an island.
Because you've always wanted an island, hence why we've gone for the island. I think obviously for us, especially with having the children now, storage is a main thing.
You know, in our old kitchen, it was just worktops and not much space. And with having kids, you want to bake, you want to get creative. That's what we can use the island for now. If the kids are playing in this section of the house where the tree is, we're still in the same room as them while we're eating our breakfast. They can play in that bit and we still got eyes on them. We was adamant we wanted Neff. In a house that we used to rent, there were Neff ovens in there, which are the ones that slide and hide. So we're like, when we buy a house, we're definitely going to have those. Also the fact that the material for the doors and the drawers is
wipeable.
Wipe-proof. And trust me, 3-year-olds, crayons, drawing on things, it happens. You can't stress yourself out about it. It's white clean. Installation was quite exciting, wasn't it? But the day that it turns up in the green van, you're like, neighbours, look out the window, we're having a new kitchen. So just to see it getting unboxed was magical, wasn't it?
And we were just kind of over at one side of the house and kind of watched the install happen. So it was really exciting actually to see it progress day to day, wasn't it?
We're so excited for Christmas this year. Normally we would go out with the family, and even though we've spent so much time in the house this year, we definitely want to spend it in the new kitchen.
100%, yeah.
So in terms of have we recommended Wren to anyone, it's not that we've actually recommended them, it's just been friends and family that have been to the house, saw the kitchen and gone, I want one.
Your mum got one?
My mum.
This mum got one straight away?
She's not gonna like it. She went for a different style kitchen, but she went to have a Wren kitchen. The neighbours as well came in for a little nosy. I was like,
yeah,
I'm gonna get one.